Should we start?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm about to do something really, really crazy. It took me months to decide whether I wanted to have a tattoo or not. And finally, I decided that I'm going to have a tattoo on my leg. Show you. So this is where I'm gonna have my tattoo. I did shave my leg last night, and I made sure to keep it moisturized because I think that's one of the requirements to not get an infection. The tattoo that I'm going to make has a special deep meaning for me. It's a Chinese tattoo, Yin Yang, and I guess most of you know what Yin Yang means. And for me, it actually represents balance in life. So there is the good, there is the bad, and connection between good and bad is something that I really want to do. And I think that it's gonna make me feel a lot better. I had an identity crisis, and that really helped me go through it. So yes, stay tuned and see how it's gonna happen. Okay, I'll take this one.
It will be the same. There will be same detail in both. In any.
Can you tell me how much it takes for the whole thing to heal?
It will take 20 to 25 days to heal. The healing process will take around 25 days. But first 7 days you have to take care of it. You have to protect it from water, sunlight, and dust. So it will be good that if you do that. If you do that, the tattoo will remain the same.
And pain level, you were telling me that
It will depend on you. It will not depend on me. It will totally depend on you.
Is there
How much you
anything-
can bear, it will be according to that.
Right, right. And is there anything to relieve the pain? Can you apply something?
If it pains, let's see. If it pains, then we will see. But don't just make up your mind that it will pain and bear it. That will be easy.
And what does a person need to do before getting a tattoo? The day before, is there anything specific that we have to do?
You don't have to drink. That is the only thing you have to do. After the tattoo, you can't drink for 2 days. You have to avoid water for a week. So you have to keep your leg aside while bathing and all.
So I can't wash.
Yeah, you can't have contact with water for a week after the tattoo. So you have to take care of that. Everything will be okay.
And can you tell them about the place name, location, and what else? Yes, that's it.
Okay. Our studio's name is Tatoo Studio. It's in Aun, Pune, Maharashtra, India.
Yeah, India.
India.
Not Mozambique, India. Yeah. Okay, let's do it, guys. It's cooling.
It will burn.
guys, so the tattoo is done. So it was painful. It was very painful. But it was so You guys were really, really nice.
For a week. So to protect it from water, I use Korean ointment. You have to take different amount of ointment. Before bath, apply thickness. If you let aside and you take more bath. While bathing, soap water and shampoo to not spill over. You have to keep your legs aside and you can have a bath. While bathing, soap water and shampoo should not spill over. After bath, in the afternoon before sleeping, you have to massage it tight. Yeah, it pains. Before bath, yeah, it will pain for 2-3 days, not after that. Before bath, you have to apply thick. After bath, in the afternoon before sleeping, you have to massage it. Okay. After 2-3 days, the tattoo will get drier, darker, and the skin will come out. So don't peel it off, it will feel on its own. If it itches, there's no scratch, just tap it. Any doubt, just follow it and come by. Don't do any experiment from here. If you have any doubt, you have our number, just call it. Okay, give us a call and we'll let you know. If you go for gym, running, walking, you have to avoid it for a week. If you go for swimming, you have to avoid it for 15 days. If you drink alcohol, you have to avoid it for 2 days. And anything regarding the tattoo, just call us. Covering your tattoo. When you reach your house, just remove this plastic. Take half cup of Dettol, antiseptic Dettol, which we use on wounds. Not the hand wash thing, the antiseptic which we use on wounds. Take half cup of Dettol, half bowl of fresh water. Dilute the Dettol solution in the water. Just take one tissue, dip it and just clean it once. When you reach your house, when you remove this plastic, you will see a little bit bleeding, a plasma type bleeding, a little bit sweat. You have to clean it. Okay, with diluted Dettol water. After that, you apply the ointment. And before sleeping, you have to again apply this ointment. For your tattoo, this ointment will last for a month, for at least 20 days. So you will need only this much, not more than this. It's like a medicine. So you cut it, just take a tiny drop and apply. Don't apply more. If you apply more, you might get heat boils. It's very strong thing, so it generates heat. So just apply a less amount of ointment.